What's good, YouTube? This is the boy Peter. That's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we back with another banger. You feel me? So, basically, what's gonna be happening today is we're looking for couples, and today we out here in Glenora Park. Guys, we're planning to pull up on the couple which is coming there, and I don't know, man. As usual, we're doing as if Twitter in real life. You feel me, guys? You see the couple behind me, Tambero of cameraman. You can come, you can show them. Bakwaro exchanging phones. So definitely, if you're watching this video, it's obviously the after the video. The couples, I feel me. Anyways, we out here in Glenora Park, and there's a couple which is coming. Feel me? So I'm gonna do as if I'm asking people the questions in the park. You feel me? And I'm gonna do as if I don't even know. So I don't get to get so that it will look fucking real and fucking legit. Anyways, there's someone who did the art. Yeah, Trababalasi. I don't even know what is this the Trababalasi or something. But yeah, it's happening here in Harare, Zimbabwe, and we're chilling. Feel me? So guys, this is the park here Glenora in Sagamo. Nobody again mbofunza. Muda se. But mbofunza. Tsaka road nobuda ku specimen. Tsaka road ku specimen.
Okay.
Tufamba se.
Upina ne baba.
Pina ne sene chibagom. Kana bena sene chibagom se.
Motina right.
Right.
Yeah.
Posutsaka banano dana ndo vanonga nosokara kupana dana mpaki muno.
Mo maside azim.
Maside musatofara kuti aside nori. Tofara kuenda kuti side tsaka na dana.
Yeah.
Okay. Kana to unongoenda nemi mukwenda kupi? Imi wacha mukuda nani?
Yeah, isuso kai.
Womuri kapu.
Yeah.
Oh, indoda zokushuta ma videos zangu YouTube. I don't even know kana muchidongo to 2 minutes nene then ngofunza funza makabos ma games asiyana. Then yeah.
Bro.
Bana pressure.
Yeah, bana.
Asaka po. Etwere bana. Okay. So guys, another day, another dollar. We out here in Chipark.
Nonzi.
Glenora Park.
Glenora Park.
Yeah.
Okay. The Warangara Buddha. That's something.
Yeah.
Okay. Monogaro.
Togara waterfalls.
Waterfalls. Kosi samugara waterfalls.
No.
Mogara areas.
Garaxoro.
Kuchi?
Kuzoro, yes.
Oh, some face of waterfalls zona chimoko.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Another day, another dollar. We out here in Sororo and Marikuchi, Glenora Park.
Yeah.
Oh, Sororo ndio. Okay. So guys, basically what's happening today is I just meet up. Ndomboka kwa pakati.
Okay.
Ndo fara pakati singaiti.
Okay.
Pakati ndo pangu. Singazi camera mino tukubudere. Okay. So guys, basically I don't want to waste much of your time. Ndo uta kufunza ma games asiyana kuma couples andika. Kumangu. Makanisa nema ntango sangandia.
Usually it's me.
It's you.
Yeah.
Waskana wanuka skotsa. Ku imim. Kana manitsa ana ntango regera ndiani.
Ntango regera ndinangu.
Ndio.
Yeah.
Because varume I know the reason why varume ashtaka kuregerera. I know. Because ukasadaro you end up wakutenge mna nofara nivia sireke. Yet you don't like it. Anyways, ndakufunza. Makatendeka zvakaita se oro out of 10 muri loyo zvakaita se.
I think 7 or 8.
7 or 8.
Yeah.
Okay. Kungoma out of 10 muri loyo zvakaita se.
I need to go to 5 angu.
5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yo? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ndika.
Yeah.
Asi munotamba bora.
No.
When pink reddish or something.
I was just inspired by someone on TikTok.
Oh, who inspired you?
I forgot her name, but
Mamati
someone.
UK type she. Oh,
Yeah.
I can see. So I know that black.
yeah, you know Zokira.
No that black.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna dye my hair with a red, pink reddish.
It's bleached red. Yeah,
Bleached
it's red. Yeah.
Chat, let me know in comment section if I should put bleached red.
Yeah, the tint is called Brilliant Bleached Red.
Oh, brilliant bleached red.
Yeah.
Oh, so are you matching red, and then
Yeah.
yellow,
Mm-hmm.
black, white, black. Yeah. Okay, you'll nakatawa. Love is burning. Anyways, guys, mazona with this couple is on fire and they are doing love. You feel me? Wabuda. Bolato. Guys, vanhu voda kubuda. Chiko mazimba voda kabiro ngesifi. Vanhu vakazvarwa pa ZBC. Anyways, come out of 10 mimi munotrasta orege tange kuno out of 10 andika. Munotrasta munhu zvakaita sei? iye atanostrasa 5 out of 10 ininostrasazvera sei
Ndakutoita my doubts, so I would say maybe 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10 okay kokuno kwimimi
nina pa 1 out of 10.
anotrasa 1 out of 10
Yeah.
sadaro munungoisa musoro redha kutomutrasa 1 out of 10
nembonyonzo mumastreets aka hauzivi kuti mabhebha anenge aita sei nini.
yeah I support you there. You never trust women. Never. Unga in paches wangu antozitrust kuzura wakazi.
Yo.
Never trust women. Either ndi mama wako kana ndiani. Never trust them.
Chapply kuti nini chi kwandogara
nekwanogara senizichekwa usiku
obvious ningo tingatoziye
waona. Anyways, masinzukira guys, in andiwanza unoita se kunotambisa nguva iyi ndizoti time dzenyu dzakapera 10 behind the time. Muzoti ku Ethiopia vari muna 2018. Unoziva?
kuchi
Ku Ethiopia right now vari muna 2018.
ndizoketa
Saka we are behind the time like Ethiopia. Muzive vari muna 2018 right now. Isu tiri muna 2026 asi tiri kumhanyira ku. But anyways, ini nandiwanza unotambisa time yenyu andika. Ini ndoita inonzi another day another dollar. Couples are seeing your phones for 6 seconds. I break relationships for a living. Kuti ndidye sadza nenda break my relationships. Kuti ndiwane mari momwe mangu nenda break my relationship. I don't just break relationships. I also make money out of it. Break relationships. So ini ndobata phone yenyu ishi. Ndotora phone yenyu ishi. Ndimabata panapa. Phone yenyu ishi imimi moipa amai awa. Wopa iPhone yabo. And then muona inspection. Mamboita mabhodha kana vamboita mabhodha pane inspection kana raid. So ndi uri classroom wange kana wanzi takwenda kuhosite kwenyu kunotasa matrunks oro tangu raida takwenda kuhosera kwenyu kunotasa maphones ndipe phone yenyu. Iri kupise.
Kana yo.
Uri waviri musoro ndokwenyaya.
Okay.
Thank you. Taunzura nechimoko, you feel me? Takodawo yenyu kuno. Another day, another dollar is about to go fucking down, man. Bring it here. When I mamona mkumano nya, usubtrust it. When I start with the phone.
Yeah.
Yay! Akaomaka.
Wakaipa.
Chafawa. Munzi ngoma nga. Tabatoro we are not like Ethiopia. We are like Ethiopia. We are behind the time. Though we are in 2026. Anyways, bate yenyu. Mubata yenyu. So that patitora nya paona no delete kana utasiya maise. Another day another dollar. Couples exchange your phones for 6 seconds. Today I'm not so high. I'm so low because I'm very tired. That's why I'm stooping so low. You feel me? I'm very tired. Tired of breaking people's love. You feel me? Anyways, we're studying to shake. You almost like which guy?
Okay, chill.
Anyone?
Okay, yeah, anyone.
My mother told me to choose this one. No, mommy. But I love to choose this one. Okay. Okay, my brother. You can search, go to WhatsApp, you can search morning after nudes, sex. You feel me? Do my keywords. When you search, but then you search morning after, and then you search nudes, you search sex, you search money, I love you, baby. Everything, man. Everything that you know, whatever card they would say if they are cheating, or they would say if they are dating someone. Yeah. Shaka umaga.
Yeah, shiriko.
Muribo.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Mushe.
Yeah.
Mushe. Another day, another dollar. Couples are sending your phones for 6 seconds. We out here and we reporting live from the Glenora Park. You feel me?
Yeah.
I can see you feeling me.
Yeah.
Keep on feeling me. I'm feelable.
Okay.
Yes.
ora baba
Mbona ora? Tukachuma.
ora baba ora
Makazara ora. Anza rukimba ora. Ora yandaka?
yandakaona.
Thank you. Anzi chingoma. Mulogara mabuda pachine sasa nyangu. Kuti murira mabasa kwa Jezebel. Mabasa erimo. Tisatatodzwa zotaura kana mukoma. Now that mabatwa muchaita sei. Muda kutaura kuti chi?
Antoziyo.
Batwa vambona muruya batwa red handed. Ndiye maitwa. Maitwa witchcraft.
But muna kanyanyam.
Imbishana.
Yeah, there's none much. Yeah.
Ungasongoda nono nemunhu wani. You never know mungu ndio backup. Handika.
Yeah, not really.
Mungu spare wiri. Mungu kanode vamwe. Vai zvozofamba nemaspare 4 kunge gonyetika. Iwo wonder fit. Mungu kanode vamwe. It's unexplainable. Let the man himself speak for himself. Mumwe kana kuti vamwe. Vamwe kana kuti mumwe. Zvafamba sei?
Mukati mune mawani.
Yes, don't forget station news morning after pills, 6 pregnant. I love you, baby. Come home. I'm outside everything. Feel me? Mabati ngoma.
Ndaona uyu akanzi Abi. Yeah.
Abi boy. Nongo I used to think kuti vana Abika vasikana chete. Vana Abigail. Kwatona na Abi boy futhi. Hanzi na Abi boy. Abi boy.
That's my brother.
Brother?
Yeah, that's my brother.
Hanzi chimena brother.
Aiwa, asimborikana brother we. Noroti ma message achona ninga achisenda ka.
Mawani.
Ninga mawani.
Siri kunzira brother asombokana brother ma message achona ngachisenda ka. Mawani. Bude pachena my sister. We are behind the time. Mutono kwakutodoka manje mosquito enenge atangotoruma.
Okay, munhu anongogarawo padeni pedu, muloje padeni pedu.
Oh, saka dzikonzenguwa makamboti kwenyu, makati kwake moti pake kwa wani.
Yeah. I know.
My brother, loja uyu ariko asikurinda imba yawo chete. Arikurinda nemwana wavo.
Yeah, obvious.
Arikurinda imba nemwana wavo. All the services and the facilities, are they called the facilities or the amenities? I don't know. But she's part of the project. Part of the property. She's part of the property. What are you doing with your sister? My brother, she's cheating on you.
Obviously.
Anobhadhara rent yekumba kwavo. Pamwe akutobhadhara netipa. Asura kutotipa. Makadii pana loja. Munhu asina imba. Dai mamurimi mukudana nemwana walendo wacho.
Munhu anongo like
He's good.
Yeah, he's good. Okay.
More than your man. He's good more than him. Plus.
Yeah, not really. Azosvika pana my man.
Ndezvongoto apo neapo.
Munhu anongonditrosha ese.
Okay, zvawada. Yakatokutindisa kuti.
Yeah.
Ko mamena anomboitawo zvese.
Not pese.
Apo neapo.
Yeah, dzimwe ngachingotana mari. Busy chichi.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. Chat, you said zofara kumofara. Ameno makazoira kuti vakazi vanopiwa mari kana kuti but mukadzi apiwe mari like uda kuti ndikupe mari ndimubereki wako reni. Nyango ini ndine mari yachona. It's not yours. When you're coming to my life, come to my life with what ndina mari. Nyango ndina mari yachona. It's not yours. I'm not gonna give you. Urondupe mari wakaishanda kubhodoroda mari. Okay, I'm sorry. I was just talking to them. Yeah, I was just talking to them. Wakaishanda kupi yo. Okay, Mati. Munopo girlfriend allowance.
Nani? Bill.
My man. Uyu kana uti uyu. They always have the backup plan. Yes.
It's from him. Yeah, I can say sometimes.
Sometimes. Apo ni apo.
Kana chidaka, yeah.
If he wants.
Yeah.
How much? You know, pay girlfriend allowance. Uko ni uko.
I would say I'm trying to like 30 zvishikwira.
30 ma US. Uko kwanopa aronza mari.
Uko ndipa 60 or 100.
60 or 100 depending nemazuva. Saka girls amuna need kwenda basa. You can even open your business uri padendra wako la down uchichi ukazi kuna loader pangu wanze emfesa wako pangu usara nechi want something. There's no need kwenda basa actually. Some ladies making money it's large. You feel me? Anyways, my brother. Mashubatira now that mabata mchaita same scan.
Tongweta inenge iripo yachona ningoti obviously nini ochi ansiro perfect kuti.
Oh, it's okay. Hold on muri papo, it's okay. Sister, tomboro mufure phone ngomana. Ngore phone ngomana.
Who's on the wallpaper?
Upato ni aturi pa wallpaper?
Yeah.
Anzara pa wallpaper ndio.
Ai sister yangu.
Yo, okay.
Yo, sister.
Kwa password akachinja futi.
Kona uchinja mapassword. Munhu ofa mumwe musi abakataza kufonera amadzino kusapota. Come on. chinjire chima passwords. Password should remain star kana kari kambudzi or 1111. Feel me?
Haibo. Hey. Yo. Ha.
Iyo. Do you know Chaba? Asura the Chaba.
No,
Iyo.
like I speak Ndebele.
Oh, wena yakhuluma.
Yeah.
Oh ya doba. Ngiyakubona kakhulu wena.
Yeah.
Uzochita
yakhuluma.
Yakhuluma. Wena uzokuchita phela.
Uyachita amantombazana abaningi. Ngiyawabona la.
Hayibo chomi. Wena uyachita. Hayibo wena.
Natasha and who's
Ubani lo Natasha wena?
Mishi Bay.
Yo. Ubani lo
My
Natasha?
wife.
Yo.
Ha.
So you are the fourth one.
Yo.
Fourth wheel.
Let me check. Maybe
Yeah,
there are
check.
some more.
Check.
What about Lizzie? Auntie.
Lizzie.
I didn't receive my period this month.
Yo. Another dollar.
Yo.
Couples send your phones for 6
Hi.
seconds. Hayibo.
Sengiphelele re.
Mina singelela tu simpelele. Simpelele, I don't even know. But we are finished. Hayibo. My brother, why are you doing that?
No.
Okay. Into inonzi BTS. Mambe the soccer betting area.
No.
Inonzi both team to score. Kana ba better than both team to score. Unze phone yotun. Phone my brother.
How?
Phone yenye. Okay, now that imi muru cheater. 50-50. What are you guys gonna do?
Mina ngizomshaya yena. Yini ngawe?
Oh, wait. Yini,
Ha?
wait.
What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? What did I do?
Flippy.
So many girls. Yini ngawe?
It's okay.
Ha? We shit wena man.
Holy shit. Bam. One bam. Yo, guys, it's another day, another dollar. Guys, it's another day, another dollar. Couples are sending phones for 6 seconds. Shakaoma. Yini. Why is the guy? I don't even know. Guys, you know, we had to remove the part, you know what I'm saying? Because YouTube, you know, basically have this video already. You should have violations and stuff. But yini. Garowe. Anyways, do what you're doing best and I'll keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Chris Makara. So now I'm going to my mic sango. I do it. Feel me? It's another day, another dollar. Couple of sending phones. Anyways, do what you do best and I'll keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Chris Makara. Yini. Wena we are cheater lem debele wena uzoshayiwa kakhulu. Yakubuza wena. Anyways, see you on another episode. Couples sending phones for 6 seconds. We're not stopping to fix the country. We're gonna fix the country till the country is fixed.